So welcome to the CAD drawings. This is isometric projections. Now first problem is a square pyramid of base side 40 mm and height 70 mm rests symmetrically on a cube of edge 50 mm. So a cube will be first drawn, okay, of edge is equal to 50 mm, and then on top of that we need to draw a square pyramid of base side 40 mm. So let us start with the uh, cube. For that, let us take the line, dark line I have taken. So draw the line, edge will be of 50 and the angle will be 30 degree. So again, so isometric will be 50 mm, and here the 180 minus 30, that will be 150. Again 50 mm and 150 mm. Okay, now you join to the point, you are going to get this is the square in the isometric view, that will be 30-degree inclination. Isometric view means all the edges will be inclined at 30-degree angle. Now height of the cube will be also equal to 50 mm. So cube is nothing but all the sides will be equal. Okay, now I have drawn the 50 mm height. Now what I am going to do is, in order to simplify, I will move the bottom, so the entire base onto this point, so that you need not create it again. Okay, so for that I will use the copy command and select all these, press enter, and afterwards I will move from this point to this edge. Okay, so now in order to make the cubes, these two sides are visible, so connect from this point to again from this point to this point. So now these two will be the hidden edges. So we will trim the hidden edges. Okay. So now let us move this entire thing little bit slightly below. Okay. So now we will find out the center of the cube, top face of the cube. Okay. Now, in order to draw the 40 mm, there are two methods. One is you can scale it down, and another one is take the offset and then join. So I will use the scale down method, which will be easy. So for that, select the option called as scale here. Click on the scale and select the objects that to be scaled. Okay, then press enter. Then afterwards it has to be scaled about the center point. So click on the midpoint, and then in order to scale you need to take the copy. If you don't take copy, the original thing will be gone, original square will be gone. So take the copy and now give the scale factor, how much do you want? So what is the dimension you want of the square is 40. Now what is the present square dimension? It is 50. So press enter. So you have created the 40 mm square. Okay, now you want a pyramid. So pyramid base you have created, the height will be 70 mm. You take the line. Okay, take the line from the center to the height distance is 70 mm, press 70. Okay, after that you need to connect. Pyramid means the apex point of the pyramid, that is this one, will be connected to all the base points. Okay, so since uh, there are four edges, you need to join to all the four sides, but the one of the edges is invisible. So what we will do is we will not connect all the four. Now what we have to do is these uh, parts will be invisible. Okay, so what we will do is we will take a trim option and trim out all the things that are unwanted, so that the construction line also can be removed, so that you are going to get the option.